Of course, is everybody listening? Are people in the industry listening? I would love to. I was like, he was one of my favorite actors. Like, getting a call from her about my performance is. I don't want. I don't know. I don't want anything else. He's absolutely vanilla, like very nice, very well mannered. Nice boy. Marjava is very different from Dede, and you'll see me in an absolutely different avatar. A smart 50-year-old needs to come for me to fall in love with him. Hi guys, this is Rakul and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
This is Yogesh from Jodhpur. Do you like to work with Salman Khan if you get an offer with him?
Of course. Is everybody listening? Are people in the industry listening? I would love to.
A filmy cricket fan. Ma'am, loved your performance in De De Pyar De. You are truly deserve that role. Waiting for your next film, Marjava. Tell us something about that film and your role. Lots of love and best wishes.
Thank you so much. And I can't reveal much right now, but Marjava is very different from Dede, and you'll see me in an absolutely different avatar.
Dr. Saif from Jubail, Saudi Arabia. Will you ever fall in love with a much older person? How important is the age factor for you in real life? And one thing you learn from Tabu, Ajay Devgan, Jimmy Shergill, as all of them are superb artists.
I don't have a problem with age. I think age is just a number, and as long as two people complement each other, that's what's most important. And I think I'm a little mature in my head, so I find it very difficult to have conversations with my age people. But if the right person comes, I don't know. Why not? I mean, a smart 50-year-old needs to come for me to fall in love with him.
So there's this dialogue that Tabu has for Ajay Devgan that जब तुम 60 के हो जाओगे और फिर वो जब
कुछ भी नहीं
हाँ कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे तो उसको तुम पे cheat करना पड़ेगा. I'm sure that situation must be there when the age gap is a lot. Isn't it?
I don't know. I'm not dating anybody older. You're asking. I'm not dating anybody only.
Hypothetically.
Right now, so I'm not. I have nobody, so I can't give hypothetical answers.
But it's a good dialogue.
Yeah.
This is Sanmaya Shrivastava from Bihar. How was it working with Sid Malhotra again in Marjava? Is he still that good boy or has he shown you his naughtier side this time?
He's a very good boy. He's absolutely vanilla, like very nice, very well mannered, nice boy.
This is Sami from Silhat, Bangladesh. Rakul, who was inspiration to become an actress?
Actually, nobody. I never grew up on a dose of films. I was not obsessed by films because I wasn't allowed to watch being in the army. My dad was more into sports, and so actually not one single person. I didn't have an inspiration. After I came into films, I started watching films. Actually, after I started modeling is when I started watching films, and I love Kajol, ma'am, and Sridevi ji.
This is Mano Siege from Kolkata, India. Ma'am, share one amazing experience on the sets of De De Pyar De you had. Who's favorite actor of this generation?
The entire experience was amazing. Favorite actor of this generation? I think Ranveer Singh.
Any experience, anything that you remember from De De Pyar De sets? Maybe
Of course, I remember the whole journey. You know, every scene we see,
Anything that comes
it's
to
like
mind.
the flashes of what you were doing before, after, keep coming in. While you see the London portions, how we were running in and out to shop. Tu Mila To Hai Na when we were shooting. So that's Oxford Street and बहुत सारी shops हैं वहाँ पर.
Gee, I think that's...
So we were going in and out while they were setting the cameras. Me and my hair and makeup team and Ajay sir would go to like Bose and these kind of stores, and I would go to, okay, there's an H&M here, okay, there's a Tod's here, or when you're on the high street there is this here. We would go and I was trying clothes because I didn't have time. I was wearing shorts and a tee with the song. तो उसी के ऊपर उनको सामने खड़ा करके we would go to the changing room. I was trying clothes on top, removing, trying. We were doing like rapid shopping. It was so much fun. So that entire experience of London's been crazy.
एक बहुत चीज़ important होती है किसी भी फिल्म में किसी भी केमिस्ट्री के लिए कि वो it should look convincing.
Yeah.
And बहुत बार क्या होता है कि अगर सेम उम्र के भी अगर हीरो हीरोइन होते हैं but maybe there's something that is missing.
Right.
Maybe they are not physically fit or anything of that sort. Maybe there. But यहाँ पर आप दोनों का जो chemistry है, I think it is spot on.
Thank you, yeah. Thank
It
you
works
so
very
much.
nicely. Like तू मिला तो है ना कि अगर बात करें तो it looks convincing.
Yeah, no, that's what even Vidya ma'am, when she called me, she said that it's looking so nice, it's looking so convincing, and I was like, he was one of my favorite actors. Like, getting a call from her about my performance is I don't want anything else.
No, I think and Vidya is amazing. But I think Vidya is a
Very warm person.
Very, very genuine.
Very real person.
This is Sanika Kokate from Mumbai, from Yariyan to De De Pyar De. How would you like to describe your Bollywood journey?
Journey is a journey. I don't like to segregate it as Bollywood and Tollywood. And I'd say that I have grown immensely from the girl of Yariyan to today. I mean, Yariyan, I knew nothing. I was a blank slate and I didn't even know that you're supposed to. I'm telling you, I was so raw. I didn't even know that you're supposed to go with hair and makeup for a meeting. When I met Divya ma'am for the first time, I was not even in proper makeup. I had a lip balm and and that's what she loved about me because that's what Saloni as a character needed.
Correct.
And she was like, this girl can act and she's very real. So that's what helped me get that film. And I didn't even know how you're supposed to, all this paps and hair and styling and what you're wearing has come in much later, last 2-3 years. But I grew every day with all my experiences, whether it's my films here or in Telugu, and I think I've had a beautiful journey.
What Divya ji does is, I think her picturization of songs is amazing. She has an amazing sense of picturizing songs.
Yes.
And Yariyan had some really good songs.
Yeah.
This is Abhi from Jamshedpur. Your most dangerous or craziest experience in life?
Most dangerous? I mean, I did skydiving, which is obviously not dangerous because you have a guy skydiving with you and you leave it to him that he will make sure that you land properly. I also did very high bungee, world's highest, second highest bungee, which was scary. Which I will not say is dangerous because you are tired, but which was very scary and I don't think I will ever do it again.
This is Aqib from Jharkhand, Bokaro. What is your favorite food, book and song?
Food, matlab all kinds of food. Zomato is my favorite app, so you can imagine. I love to see food, the food that I can't eat, I just see it. But I love homemade food. My favorite book is Power of Now. My favorite song, all songs of De De Pyar De.
Okay, apart from De De Pyar De, I think he's basically referring that any
All-time
song.
favorite song?
Yeah, all-time favorite song.
Aao Huzur is my all-time favorite song.
That's interesting. This is Santosh Patnaik. You usually don't dub in your original voice in South. How was it to have your own voice on the screenplay for De De Pyar De?
Very good question. And I've actually dubbed one film in Telugu, which I was appreciated for dubbing. But now I've announced that every film, like the film that I'm currently shooting for, I will be dubbing myself. It was refreshing to see because the only problem I have when I see my films is that I find the voice not matching me because I have a slightly husky voice at times and you know, I mean, it needs to go with your frame and I don't like squeaky voices on me. But it's very refreshing to see your own voice on yourself.
Alright, this is Dinesh Kumar from Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. What is your dream role?
I want to do one role that people remember for life, and I think the kind of love that I'm receiving for Aisha, I'm hoping that this becomes that role or that one role, you know, whenever I've never been able to say dream role, lekin 10 years down the line, like how we remember a Simran from DDLJ, we remember a Geet from Jab We Met. If I have one film in my life after 10 years that people remember me, that's my dream role.
This is Abhi from Jamshedpur. What makes a star apart from their fans? What are fans to a celebrity?
Very good question. I will tell you, a star is a word coined by the fans, and if there are no fans, there is nobody, no star. So otherwise everybody is just an actor. We're all actors now, whether you're a character actor, you're a mainstream actor, you're the hero or you're the heroine. Star power is given by the fans, and I think all the love that they give you, you need to be absolutely grateful to them that they've put you on that pedestal and they're giving you their time and their love, because I really believe we are nothing if they don't love you. They can go watch a film and say, isko to kuch karna nahi aata, iski to shakal hi nahi pasand. So, you know, we should have all the love and gratitude in the world and stay as grounded as we can for the love of the fans.
Do you feel that after this film, you'll get, I think, a new bunch of fans from the Hindi world as well? Because
I'm hoping.
Right now it is primarily South, from what I understand.
Yes.
This will add
but I'm hoping at least my Twitter and my Instagram is flooded with a lot of new people, and you know, like a lot of people are saying, "Is this your first film?"
Yeah.
Because they've not seen me like this, and it's a thinner toned version of me. My face looks different completely. But I'm so I was doing theatre visits yesterday, and I was like, you can consider that also. It's okay as long as you like the work.
This is Adil from Pakistan. One word for SRK.
Charismatic. Hi guys, this is Rakul and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.